Welcome to my Tesla delivery day checklist video. Taking delivery of a new car is always an exciting experience, and it's no different when it comes to a Tesla. But with so many features and options, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. That's why in this video, I'll get you through a step-by-step process to check everything from the exterior to the interior of the vehicle. When you're inspecting the exterior of your car, one important aspect to look for is panel gaps. Make sure they are even and consistent. Here's a Tesla Model 3 I rented from hers. You guys can see there's a huge panel gap. This could cause some issues down the road. Next, be sure to check the paint for any imperfection such as scratches or chip. Look at the car from different angles and in different lighting conditions to get a good view of the entire surface. For my car, while I doing the inspection, I found out there's a scratch on the front bumper. I immediately notified the Tesla delivery specialist. He was nice enough to bring my car to the back of the shop. The technician was able to polish the surface. Next thing is to open up your frunk and make sure it opens up freely and the towing eye is not missing. This is really important because if you need to tow your car, that's what you need. For my car, I also noticed the washer fluid reservoir was not centered, so I couldn't open the cap. I also notified the sales advisor. He was able to tell the technician to center it in the back. Next thing, you want to check all four tires. Make sure they are not damaged. They are the same tread depths. They are new and also clean. Make sure they are the correct size for the vehicle. Another thing you can check is in the car, in the service menu, you can find out for the tire pressure. Tesla cars are not included with a spare tire, so it's really important to make sure your tires are in good condition in case of flat tire. Next, let's check out some lights. Have somebody sitting in the car to turn the turning signals for you. Make sure you check the left and the right. And also push the brake pedal a few times to make sure both the rear tail lights are working. Next is to check the mirrors. Make sure both of them are folding and also they can be unfolded. Make sure check out these buttons are working properly for the mirrors. Now I'm adjusting it. Up, down, and also try on the right side. Make sure it's working. And also you can check the steering wheel. So push this. Make sure this works. Next is to check all the windows. Make sure you can control that through the driver's side controller to roll them down and also up. You can try to roll it all the way down and up for all four windows. And also check the light, make sure they are functional. This is the emergency light. Make sure this works. And check the mirror. There's also lights. Check the center console storage. Make sure the track is smoothly open and closed. And also try to open the glove box. Make sure it opens and you can close it without a problem. Make sure the wireless charging is working. You can see right now the phone is charging on both sides. Make sure check on both sides. When you're sitting in the back of the car, make sure to test the window button as well. And also there's a coat hanger. It should be pretty easy to open and close. And also there's a light. Turn on and off. Same thing applied to the other side. Next is to test out the function for the chair, driver's side and also the passenger side. Make sure you move the chair backward, forward. All the chairs, rotations, they are working. And also you can sit down there to try to see the lumbar. Make sure it's working. And also check all the cameras, so you will push this button to make sure all your cameras, the rear camera, the left side and right side camera, they're all working. For the charging port, make sure it's charging. Once you plug into the charger, it will flashing green. You will be able to open and close the trunk from the monitor. Make sure to test those functions. Make sure in the back of the car there is a G1772 Convertor family of Tesla charger, so that way you can charge at regular charging station. Also, there should be a front license frame. Make sure to follow the local laws if you're required. There should be also another button in the back of the trunk. Once you press it, it should close by itself. At night, it's the best time to check out the lights. Make sure the high beams are working. Also on the monitor will show you the high beams on or off. And also there's a fog light. You can control that on the monitor under lights. You can turn on and off. Make sure it's working. There's also ambient lights under the lights as well. Make sure you turn on and off to double check, make sure it is working. There are also steering wheel lights. Make sure you try to turn on and check on the steering wheel. You can see the arrows light up. That concludes my Tesla delivery day checklist video. I hope this comprehensive checklist has helped you ensure that everything is in order before you drive away in your brand new car. I understand that taking delivery of a new car can be overwhelming, but my step-by-step process has made it easier for you. If you have any questions or concerns, do not hesitate to reach out to your Tesla delivery specialist or service center. They will be more than happy to assist you and answer any further questions you may have. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful ownership experience with your new Tesla. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. I'll see you guys next time.